Before we start this rant, to anyone you guys like this show, your repairs you handled. So anyways, enjoy. For the robot boy? More like Grabby Boy. Oh my god, this show sucks. This show is rip off Robot Boy, which is way dumb better than this. This show is about this four characters. I don't know the names. Anyways, for the Robot Boy character stupid. I bet you asked her and this very better so many times. I decided that it makes us stupid for the Robot Boy say this time. Anyways, and the girl so stupid. I think you ask her at this name for the heavy robot boy. What side? And animals again? Well, nobody cares about heavy enemy characters. The animation is crap, and the characters look crappy, and the theme song looks garbage. And the voice is so joyful, so indie voice. English. Anyways, I hope this show gets cancelled soon. I don't know who likes this show. And do you know who hates this show? Samuel. She hates this show with a burning passion. So screw for the robot boy. And screw read the school robot. The robot boy is 999 million times better for the robot boy at the brand.